you can actually boost your physical and mental well-being by controlling your breath and adopting different body positions. In this video, I'll share 5 basic yoga positions to help you achieve this. Let's get practicing. Hey, it's FitnessPhreek, helping to inspire you to build the motivation to work out one online video at a time. And on this channel, I do fun fitness videos just like this. So if you are new here, consider subscribing for new videos every Saturday. Since I started my yoga journey almost a year ago, I have been going on and on about Yoga Wave app because this app has literally helped me skyrocket my flexibility from what it was before, where I couldn't get my head to touch my legs, to where I am now, where I can just do it easily. So if getting more flexible is one of your goals for 2020, just go ahead and download Yoga Wave app. If you liked some of what I showed you in this video, please hit the like button. And which one yoga pose do you think you like the most and you won't mind practicing? Type it in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.